Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to talk about some of the hottest hair color ideas that I personally can't seem to get enough of. Now, if you guys have been following this channel for a while, you already know what some of these trends are. All of these hairstyles featured within this video are from this hairstylist, Be Seen. He does absolutely gorgeous work. I love the bob haircuts that he showcases on his Instagram feed, as well as the hair color variations. So we are going to talk about some of the major trends that we are seeing for 2022 through his Instagram feed in particular. So the first one is going to be contrasting hair. So whether you are getting split dye or checkered, we are seeing a lot of kind of Coco Deville inspired hair looks, black with blondes, two-tone colors, reverse ombre, and just really overall colors that look like you would never in a million years pair them together. This is a very modern hair idea, and you can rock this look if you have curly hair, straight hair, it doesn't matter. There's so many different variations to play around with. And you can also try this trend in different colors as well. Doesn't necessarily have to be black and white, but that is a very popular look. Like I said, the Coco Deville hair color is what a lot of people are calling it. It is also known as skunk dyed hair, as well as dyeing the front portions of the hair, creating more of that money piece highlight look. Loving this blonde and black bob, as well as this kind of checkered pink and blonde and blue combination. And then here we have more of a Euphoria inspired look, and there once again is that contrasting reverse ombre color. This is an absolutely gorgeous hairstyle. She does have blonde at the top of the hair, and then the hair moves into that dark brown hair color. You can of course do this with any color combination you desire. So then next, this hairstylist, Be Seen, he also does a lot of very trendy bob haircuts. We are of course seeing the French bob, loving this pink bob variation, and of course we're seeing tons of brilliant colors within this as well. Burgundy bobs, cranberries, we're seeing a lot of copper tones as well. And of course the French girl style bob with the bangs. And this is a gorgeous checkered bob transformation. So this one does feature bangs as well as yellow and pink hair. Very vibrant hair color. Very different and unique. And then here we have more of that French girl bob, and then we have a copper colored bob. Absolutely gorgeous, loving this kind of French girl jaw length style bob. And then for those who likes to have a little bit more fun, here is a gorgeous ombre black and pink style bob. And this one is going to feature a blonde transformation. Absolutely gorgeous. And then here we have this stunning pink. So the next color trend, or trend as a whole, that we're going to talk about is bold color. So another trend that we are seeing all over the Instagram feed of Be Seen is bold color. This pink bob haircut is absolutely gorgeous, loving the money piece look with it as well. And then we are seeing a lot of dyed eyebrows as well. I will be doing a full eyebrow video as a whole, so if you guys are interested in hearing about some of the hottest eyebrow trends, definitely be on the lookout for that. I will probably be working on that this week. And then this one is going to feature a gorgeous kind of rose gold curly look, as well as this turquoise look. So Be Seen does a lot of vibrant colors. He works with many different textures when it comes to hair. So you really get some great ideas of just kind of how to play around with your hair as a whole when it comes to trends. Next, we see this gorgeous pink bob, as well as this hot pink hair. Gorgeous, love it with her complexion. It really just warms up the skin. And then we see this rose gold kind of bob color gets transformed into more of that contrasting color. And then there's once again that cranberry style bob. And then we see kind of like an ashy blonde bob transformation, as well as a purple bob. So if you guys are really looking for a vibrant hairstyle, something different, out of the box, innovative, modern, something unexpected, definitely check out Be Seen's Instagram feed. You will find a ton of inspiration. I know I personally enjoyed checking it out. So if you are inspired, definitely give this video a like, and I will see you in the next one.